In this recording, I will show you how to get the embed code from any type of web document and insert or embed that document into the website for flags. So I have got the embed code from a Google form, which I'm now going to Control C to copy. You can also sometimes right click, hit done, and now I'm going to open up my Dreamweaver program where the website is located. This sometimes takes just a second to open up. Now that it is opened up, I'm going to actually decide which page of the website I would like to put this on. And I think I would like to put this on the home page so that there's a chance of more of our members seeing it more quickly. And I don't see the home page on the list. Here it is, actually index is the home page. So I'm going to click on index, and now you can see that I have an editable set of fields here. And as I look at this, I actually have decided that the events page would probably be a better location. So I'm going up to open events. Okay. And now what we're going to do is we're going to edit an event that I've already started. So as I scrolled down, we already have the event for the languages event at the State Fair, and I'm going to get rid of some stuff that's been canceled actually, which you can do just like doing in a Microsoft Word program. So we've got stuff we've already done. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that so that this is really current. And now the only things left here are events that we still have coming up. So I'm going to add in this form. So I'm going to type that they can also complete this form in order to reserve a time slot. Okay. Now what I need to do here is actually insert this embeddable content. And if you recall, I had copied this code. Now if I actually just pasted what I had copied, it wouldn't work. Here's what I would get. I would have all of this gobbledygook in the code, and when I hit save, it would still just look exactly like this, which is not a form, and that won't be helpful. So instead, what I need to do is change my view to be in HTML format so that I can actually enter the code correctly. Now I could go up to the top left and click on split so that I can see the code on the left and what it looks like on the right, or I can just go to code and have nothing but code. So as you can see, my cursor is blinking right here in the middle. It shows where I have my items, and it's also showing that I'm in a list item, and I actually don't really want to be in a list right now, so I'm going to take that out. I'm going to insert a code for just a line break, which is BR. Oops, close my bracket. And then I'm going to do Control V to paste. I'm going to go ahead and give another line break bracket to separate the end of that form. Now, if I did this correctly, I noticed it didn't like my break. There we go. Notice that if I did this correctly, when I go back to design, you can see there's a blank space here and it doesn't look like a form yet. So what we're going to do is save everything. And we probably need to upload this to the website to make sure it's correct. Now, one of the problems with Google Forms is sometimes the first link you get for a form is actually just to the spreadsheet and not to the form itself that people can fill out. So we'll have to see what we get when we do that. So I've now saved everything, and I'm going to close this, and this same tutorial will show you how to get into our account at GoDaddy, and we're going to actually upload the form. So I'm going to log in. I've already got my login saved, and we'll have to create a login for you. I'm going to my account. And we purchased two things from GoDaddy. One was the right to use the name flagsteacher.com. That's the domain name. And the other is the website hosting. We need the website hosting. We're not working with the domain name at all. We're just updating the website. Okay. Now we're going to click on the one that matches our website, flagsteacher.com. Okay. And it's giving me a little preview at the top. And down here at the bottom, there are all these options and settings, and I actually only use one of them right now, and that is the Java FTP client. So you'll need to have the latest version of Java. And it is opening right now. Now that it has opened, I need to get it to find for me the page that I just updated. So in my case, I know where it's hidden on my computer, so I have to scroll down here and actually find it. It will be in a different place on your computer, but you will go through the same process. So I first go there, and then I go down to Nicole Native's digital portfolio. It's a good idea with Dreamweaver to create one folder into which everything for the website will be placed. Okay, now I've opened that up. The next thing to do is to switch it so that it does things by date, because now I can see that the only thing I've changed today is marked May 25th. Everything I change on a certain day needs to be uploaded at the same time. Today I only changed one thing, so that's the only thing I need to upload. But let's say I had added a PDF file. That file would also have today's date on it, and so the file plus the pages that I worked on would all have to be selected and moved over. Alright, so now that I've done that, we can actually go check. We can open up a new tab and check and see if this worked. This will be our test. You should always do a test right after uploading. And there it is. The form has been uploaded. It is an editable form that people can complete right away. That's how you edit and embed a form onto the Flags Teacher website, and how you then update it so that it's visible to everyone.